cleaning of the BUSTER ICU cages. The mattress can be removed. This can just then be wiped down with your standard veterinary disinfectants. Remember to wipe over with a wet cloth to remove any residues. The cage itself, similarly, it can be wiped down, even the clear surfaces can be wiped down with your standard veterinary disinfectants. Again, remembering to wipe with a damp cloth to remove any residues. If you're concerned about more infectious problems, then what can be done, you can collapse the cage, pull the frame out from the cover at the corners here like this, and then what you'll find is that at one end, at the base, is a zip. You can unzip that. The whole frame can then be removed from the cover. So there we are, we've now removed the frame completely. That can then be disinfected. The cover itself can then be completely submerged in, for instance, the scrub table in the tub here, and it can be completely turned inside out. There we are, and that can be left soaking in any of your standard veterinary disinfectants. Then again, remember to rinse it and then let it to drip dry. Not suitable for going in the washing machine, as I say, but suitable for all disinfectants, can be left to soak. Simply then, once you're satisfied with the cleaning, turn the cage back the correct way out, the cover, and then reinsert the frame. See, the cover just sits back in, and again we just zip the cover closed, and then push the arms of the frame back in to the cover, and you're ready to go again.